Oh god. What's the time now?
5:58.
My god. You only wrong.
Tôi không biết nói Trung Quốc.
我唔識講廣東話。
廣東話。
你唔識講廣東話？
呢兩個撚
樣，你撚樣，
你係撚樣，
你係戇鳩。
This morning, Wei Xin came to the airport and he brought the wrong passport. He brought his expired passport. So we all panicked a little. Chiang said that he didn't bring his China money. And then we all panicked again, but actually that was a false alarm.
Yeah.
And then at Hong Kong for lunch, this Chiang was eating chao chao shao rou fan, and then he bit on one of the shao rou skin, and then he bit his don't know what nerve or something. After he boarded the plane, suddenly it became very pain and it affected his entire mouth. And then I was sitting beside him, and then it was so bad. Then in the end, the air stewardess had to call this air steward to come, and the air steward had to write some form and call a doctor at Arizona to ask whether I can dispense medicine for him. I really wanted to watch one of my show, but I couldn't watch it because Chiang kept saying it's very pain and I feel I have to hear it. It's like, it was very dramatic, so he kept telling me that he's going to die. If the guy don't come back, he's going to faint. Oh no! And there was nothing I could do, so I just keep on every 10 seconds trying to look at the owl to see whether the guy is back, but I know that the guy will come back so soon. We're going to find a dentist for Chiang. And we are already very late because the flight also delayed for 1 hour plus. Oh my goodness! This dude seriously needs help. He helped me and himself change the money. Yeah, then he wanted to pay for the cab fare just now, then the cab uncle rejected his money. Because it's not renminbi, it's Thai P. Yeah, genius.
Oh my god, Chiang.
Oh, together.
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
No, but you must see the door. You must see the door.
There is like translucent.
There's one door.
There's no door for this.
No. Open that door.
Have you
Open that door.
Here.
So it's
Open the door.
So it's either or. I provide this lah. If you want.
Oh my god, I'm dying. Don't take. Then right. So
another thing that went wrong, my credit
yeah.
card didn't work. Mom called 2 aunties.
Oh my god.
And then got the WeChat transfer some money to
I
pay for it.
could have used my wallet, my card from my wallet, right? But then my wallet was in where? Was in my bag, which I didn't really
I thought you were going to bring your wallet.
No, I bought the China wallet, and then it happened that the China wallet was what? Taipei.
Ratchet Duo has decided that we will give you guys this gift that they gave us.
So those were under the door. The
休闲
the
保
hotel
健按摩